bit of a road trip away from Samara today. We're at Belen Waterfalls. It's just on the road to Nicoya. It's about 25 minutes from Samara. Easy drive, it's on the highway, and you'll turn off at the bar with the Pilsen sign, which I'll put in right now. Then you drive down a ways. They actually have a sign up now and a nice driveway into the parking lot. It used to be hidden, but not so much now, so everybody can find it. Peak seasons, they do have people here collecting money for parking. They maintain the trail that we came down. So the trail down to the waterfall is actually a lot better than it used to be. They've carved a new path down into it, so it actually zigzags down. Before it was like straight down. It's a lot easier for most people to get down. So people have built some benches down here and some shade in the trees. And so there is places to sit now, which is cool. Before you just have to go sit on the rocks.
Yeah, the waterfall is definitely flowing a lot better this time than it was last time. Last time we came, I think it was January or February, and it was just trickling. It was still nice, but now that we're getting into rainy season, we've had more rain, it's definitely flowing a lot better. Yeah, it's nice to come, bring a picnic, hang out. This time of year, green season. Rainy season, definitely don't want to go in the water. Last year, a couple from the United States did drown in it, unfortunately. They were warned as well, so it is one of those things where come at your own risk. And rainy season, definitely not. It's way too dangerous. In dry season when we're here, there was people jumping off of the waterfall, so you can definitely do that at that time. We actually sat up in these pools here. Water's flowing too much, so I don't know how the current would be pushing off. So this is like one of those places that's close to Sea Casa, so when you guys come and stay, we can kind of direct you where to go to get here if you have a vehicle. If not, there is tour companies in town that'll bring you here. But yeah, it's a little different than last time. Water's a little dirty too. We had some rain last night. you like? Bartender, can we get a watermelon juice for the little guy?
No, we don't have any of that.
Oh, how about a pina colada?
We don't got that.
No? What else maybe?
Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice?
We don't got any of that.
Cerveza?
Nope.
No cerveza either. This bar sucks, let's go.